What's up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for my voice. I've been talking for like 2 hours because I've been filming videos for 2 hours now, and ish. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. I love and appreciate you guys so much, and it's been a year since I started my YouTube, so I wanted to redo my old video because I was thinking about it like earlier this month, like was it last week or the other week. I was like, you know what, actually buy a whole bunch of stuff around my birthday. Like literally around my birthday is when I end up spending so much on makeup without realizing it or something. I don't know, for some reason, not that I'm excited about my birthday, but for some reason this is the time that I splurge. Doing a version of my video last year, which was my birthday favorites. I know that video had like terrible sound, but I love that video. It's so dear to me and I don't want to take it down. I might re-upload it just for the sake of the sound for the people that really complained about the sound, but I'm not taking it down because it really shows me where I'm coming from, and I'm excited about that, and I love that it's my first video. So yeah, the first thing we're going to talk about is these lashes. I love these lashes. So these are the lashes from my video, my lash tutorial. I really wanted like really long lashes. I missed having super long. I'm tired of like short lashes because I feel like I really haven't done anything. They're cute and all, and they're really good for going out, the short ones, because I really don't have many places to go out in these ones because they're a little too extra for church, and that's really all I ever go to. So this is the only place I ever go out to. But for YouTube, they're amazing. I really wanted to do something more spontaneous on my YouTube, so I got myself these lashes. I got them from Glam Revolution, Malawi, and they were only 3,500. And they don't even look, they look fake because they're long, but they don't feel fake because I've used like really fake lashes. Even these ones, they're not like the best thing. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a review on this. I know the brushes are dirty. I was using them when I was doing my makeup right now. So yeah. So this is the e.l.f. stipple brush set, which has 4 brushes in it. I think there's more sets, but this one has 4 brushes in it. So the first one is a big stipple brush. So you can use this for foundation or for powders. I use it mostly for powders because I feel like it's a little too soft for foundation. It just doesn't get it. Then the next one is this little brush. It's also a stipple brush. It's more flat. So I use this one for concealer. I'm gonna show you guys how I use them in my next videos. And then there is these 2 brushes, which are eyeshadow brushes. So yeah. And ooh, funny story. I actually did not purchase these at all. I got these in a giveaway. So I won a giveaway for my birthday from Urban Chick. I think they also do sell these brushes, but yeah, they were doing a giveaway my birthday week. I really love this. I was going to leave this for the next video because it has, you see this? It's like a little compartment where you can keep whatever you want, like makeup. So I normally keep my other brushes, which I'm going to show you in a few. So the next thing is these brushes. Yay. This is there's 10 in this set. I got this from Yanya's Beauty. These were only 10,000, which are so inexpensive. What I really wanted was this brush and the rest of the brushes. So all these 5 brushes are dirty. I have not used these 5, the smaller eyeshadow ones, because I have a million eyeshadow brushes, and I wanted to film this first. But I'm always using these. So I normally keep these in the little pouch of the e.l.f. brushes. So I really love these brushes. They're like everything. They get my foundation on so bright. They're just perfect. is this Revlon concealer, the Color Stay concealer. I know you guys saw this in my last video, my video with where random numbers decide my makeup. So I actually got this from some random chick who was selling stuff, like she had her stuff on sale, and then I saw it and it was like 2,000 kwacha because she had to price down the stuff. I saw it and I'm like, okay, let me get it. And then I got home and I realized it was too dark for me, like too dark. One, it's very red toned and it's dark, and then it oxidizes. Then I realized, I've been wanting a contour like for a really long time. So I decided to turn this into my contour. You know how Jackie Aina uses only like a shade down for her contour? They don't like to go too dark. This is one of those. Especially coupled with my Nicka K. This is my Nicka K duo contour duo. So they have the blush, but I got the contour first. I've been wanting to get the blush for a really long time. So I got this one from Dollhouse, Malawi. I talk about Dollhouse a lot on my channel. It was only 3,500. And when I saw it, I'm like, because I remember I've been in the store several times and I saw it. I've always wanted to get it. I saw it and I'm like, but it's not going to work on my skin. It looks too light. It's just going to be like a face powder. Same thing, but this time I decided to buy it because get it anyways because it's something that I've been thinking of getting for years, actually. For years, not even for a long time, but for years. So yeah, so this is the contour shade that I am wearing. So it's highly pigmented. Oh my god guys, it's highly pigmented and you have to work with a light hand with it, but it's very pigmented. I was actually surprised at how contoured it is. I was like, what? That little thing? So I really want to try the blush because, I mean, if this is good, the blush must be everything. So this and this together are Nicka K. So you guys have already seen this on my channel, especially in my cut crease video. I was using this palette, and this is the Nicka K birthday cake palette. So I think I am beginning to stand Nicka K because their stuff is highly pigmented and it's amazing for us darker girls on a budget, because this ranges from like 5,500, 6,000, 6,500 depending on where you're buying it from, but it is very, I mean 5,000 you get really nice pigment. This Wet and Wild contour stick. I know you can't really. Oh, is it a contour? Oh, it's actually, yeah, it actually is a contour stick. Oops. I use this as an actual concealer. It's literally the exact shade of my skin. I think I'm gonna be doing an updated foundation routine video. I don't know when I'll be able to film that because I've been writing exams. I've actually got 2 more papers to go. I had 1 today. I had 2 last week. But yeah, this is my heat protectant serum from Cream of Nature. Yes, Cream of Nature. It's with argan oil and everything. It's a really dope heat protectant, and I love that heat protectant because it was so inexpensive. I got it for 3,500 from Black Hair Girl store. You can find them on, I think they're on all social media. You can find them on Facebook, you can find them on Twitter. Yes, they are on Twitter. You can find them on Instagram, and they have like WhatsApp groups, and I love these guys. Like, you can find them on these social media platforms, and you can even talk to them about adding you in one of their groups, because they have these WhatsApp groups that are so informal. By informal, I mean informational. Yes, they really always. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.